fantastico.
Bu video mu?
Evet. Oha çok güzel çıkıyor. Durun böyle fotoğrafınızı çekeyim. Buradan. Inception video içinde video. Okay. Mr. Teo, where are we going?
To the Freedom Tower.
Freedom Tower!
To the highest
Building!
to the highest floor in this world.
Not the world. Not the world. We're going to the highest building in New York. Not highest tower. But it's not in the world because you remember which one was the highest tower in the world?
Yeah.
What was its name?
Hello,
No! It's called Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
Wait. Yes, Burj Khalifa. Let me take you and Freedom Tower together. Wow, so cool.
And then we met Roberto and Karina, and we came to the.
Wow.
Oh, we're really high. And I see the basketball
I
play.
know, it looks so small. Well, this is very underwhelming. I'm not happy. I am going to Carrie Bradshaw's house with my friends. Ooh, nice. Beğendin mi?
You speak English?
Yes.
So are you just filming her? Have you been behind the camera at all?
I did.
She has to film you now.
Oh, yeah.
So all I see is you filming her.
Bir şey söyle.
Heyecan, panik. Neresi olacak diye böyle endişelendim. Bana hiç teklif gelecek, hiç aşağılayacak.
Aynen, hiç teklif. Where are we going?
Bradshaw's home.
Apartment, bitch, apartment.
Küçük apartman mıydı?
Yeah. After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart, and I don't give a shit about anyone.
Hiç hatırlamıyorum. Sonra ne diyordun?
I don't know. Carrie Bradshaw was here.
Kaç gitmek istiyorum. Allah Allah.
Ah, Wall of Fame. Oh my god, we're in Los Angeles. I don't know these people.
I have no idea.
I have no idea either. Oh my god. Jesus, what the fuck? Ew. New York, concrete jungle. Made of. There's nothing you can do, literally. Oh my god. I haven't been this hangover for the longest time. We were outside just to drink a couple of beers and then we met these guys who bought us a lot of drinks and we were drunk as fuck. It was actually so much fun. And we didn't even spend a penny because this is how is it like to being a girl in New York. Good morning. Good morning. Today is a great day because my old roommate, the person that I admire, love so much, and I missed her so much, she's coming to New York. She's a flight attendant and she usually travels all around the world every single day. She finally got her visa to come here to the US. Her first destination was Chicago and then second one is New York. She's here only one day, but that's fine because she's gonna come here more often. I miss her so much. Anyway, I am eating this is a muesli with some berries and banana and some peanut butter. It's a protein bowl. And then we're gonna go get a coffee, get a New York style pizza. And then we're gonna have fun. Look who's here. Yeah! Yummy, yummy.
Oh, look, this is 6th Avenue.
This is First Avenue.
We're going to Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, I look so stupid. What is your favorite thing about New York now? Yeah, we know that. We know that. But what is your second favorite thing about New York now? She's been only here for a couple of hours. But
I should say more.
she didn't had any pizza, any bagels or anything. And yeah, oh, I love these buses. Macera dolu Amerika, Amerika, macera. Çok şey gibi görünüyorsun şu an. Sanki 2001'de şeye gelmişsin, Amerika'ya, New York'a gelmişsin. Evet. Onu çekiyorum. Birazdan 2. kuleyi vuracaklar. Canlarım izleyeceğim. Bye. I've got money, I'm a star. This is the Rockefeller tree. What do you think? So, okay, let's go. She just got me 2 pennies. You know what? You're the best. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. See you. Bye bye. Good morning. I'm going to work. Yesterday I vlogged my whole day, and then this machine messed my footage up, so hopefully it's gonna be okay today. Today in the office, yay! There's a guy over there. So cute. There's a guy over there. Just check him. I know. That's the guy. That's the guy. Looks very mysterious in a bad way. I know, right? What? But I like that. No, it looks like maybe a sculpture. Yeah, I want that. I want that.
Sales.
I have to like call a lot of people for our upcoming awards and stuff, and then emailing people is amazing, but calling them, I have so much anxiety. It's so cold. I just got off the work, going to go to Target and then go home because I can't stay outside in this cold. I'm gonna pick up Teo, but first I'm gonna go get a coffee. My valuable package is here. Teo, say hi to camera.
Hi.
Hi. We are going to an event for kids. Teo is going to be a doctor today.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited too because I'm really sick.
And next time, and next time we went to the Freedom Tower.
Yeah, we did that.
Oh, this is a baskin shark. Look at their mouth. They don't have many teeth. So baskin shark is a very large and can grow to be about 40 feet long. Like this is a whale shark.
Yes.
He's been playing with the dinosaurs for an hour now, and I'm so hungry. I just want to go out and eat, and he doesn't want to go out. I want noodles. he wants croissant, and we both want cinnamon roll. So I'm gonna get noodles, he's gonna get croissant, we're gonna share a cinnamon roll. Does that work for you?
Yes.
Yes. You see me?
Only your head and your body.
Like this?
You need to go more far.
Farther.
Farther. Farther.
Okay, back here. What did you get? Show me.
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. It's not really a cinnamon roll, but it has cinnamon sugar and it's like a cinnamon roll. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a noodle. This is a hand-dripped lamb noodle. It's pretty super.
I just got home from babysitting Teo. Let me tell you something. This camera has been giving me the hardest time this week. I couldn't record everything I want because sometimes it messes up my footage. Because it has this disc, I have to be so careful while recording the disc. When I am transferring the footage from that disc to my computer, sometimes it stops and does not copy the footage. And it's just like, it's messing everything up. And I recorded only like 4 days from this week. So that sucks. But still, I have really so much fun this week. I have socialized a lot. And met so many different people. By met, I mean like gather with so many people. But it was fun. The first week of 2025 was really fun. And I am so ready for this week. Hopefully I'll see you next week in the next video. Hope you like this nostalgic vlog. I don't think I can ever do this again because this camera is driving me crazy. Okay, I'll see you next week. Good luck, Charlie. Mwah.